Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're parked and ready. Start by connecting your phone with a high-quality USB cable or pair it wirelessly via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once connected, unlock your phone and allow permissions for media and screen access so the head unit can stream. Make sure the head unit firmware is current. This prevents app crashes. If your Seltos has a built-in YouTube app, open it now. Otherwise, launch YouTube through CarPlay or Android Auto. Don't skip granting audio and location permissions. Now navigate to the YouTube app and select content using voice commands for safety or the on-screen interface while parked. Once a video starts, check that audio routes to the car speakers. If audio is on your phone, switch output to USB or Bluetooth in the audio settings. Use the head unit's playback controls to scrub, pause, and change quality. Lowering resolution helps on weak connections. If you prefer casting, create a hotspot. Connect both devices to it and select the head unit as the cast target. To finish, stop playback and fully close the YouTube app so background processes don't persist. Then revert any developer or safety overrides before driving. If playback fails, restart the head unit first, then disconnect and reconnect the USB cable or re-establish the phone hotspot. Many issues are simple connection resets. Make sure both the head unit firmware and your YouTube app are updated. If problems persist, switch methods, for example, from CarPlay to screen mirroring, and test again to isolate whether it's the phone, cable, or head unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.